Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. The very settled autumn conditions continue over most of South Africa, although a weak front has brushed along the south coast where there was also some light rain today, and ahead of that front there were a couple of thunder showers for some areas in the Western Cape, but in particular over the Eastern Cape there were also a couple of stronger storms observed over the southern parts of that province. Let's take a look at your forecast for tomorrow, and while the front will have dissipated for your Thursday, it's going to remain unstable over the Eastern Cape where we still expect a few showers and thunderstorms. One or two thunder showers could also pop up along the eastern escarpment of the country, while on the high veld it's going to be another partly cloudy and warm afternoon, including Gauteng and the Free State. Further westwards, it's going to be mostly sunny and dry. We're also expecting it to be another warm day along the west coast of the country. Here's your detailed forecast, and for KZN it's going to be partly cloudy and warm. Thunder showers possible over the southern parts as well as along the escarpment northwards towards Vryheid. For the Eastern Cape, it's going to be mostly cloudy and quite cool for some areas. Bishu gets to 21, while Grahamstown reaches a high of only 19. Showers and thunderstorms possible for most places. Similar conditions for the rest of the province, including Graaff-Reinet, a couple of showers first thing in the morning, while along the south coast it's going to be dry, still some cloud cover hanging around for your Thursday afternoon. Mostly clear further westwards where we see it remains unseasonably warm. Robertson climbs to 30 degrees, and another warm day lies ahead for the Northern Cape with some cloud cover developing over the eastern parts later on. Partly cloudy skies for Thursday afternoon all across the Free State. It will be a warm day for Bloemfontein, reaching a high of 25. And mid to upper 20s also expected for most of the northwest. A chilly start to the day for Vryburg with a minimum temperature of 7 degrees. Let's take a look at Limpopo, where we're expecting it to be sunny in the far northern parts. Musina, 15 degrees as your minimum temperature, rising to a high of 30. And for Mpumalanga, there is a small chance for a few thunder showers along the escarpment, including Ermelo and Bombela. Otherwise, it's going to be a mostly dry day over the area. And the near-perfect weather continues across Gauteng, partly cloudy conditions developing for the afternoon when temperatures will climb into the mid-20s. Winds are going to be mostly light over South Africa but moderate for Richards Bay, and it will be gusty in the afternoon for some areas over the Karoo. For Friday, there's a possibility for evening drizzle around the peninsula as a weak cold front approaches the area. And by the weekend, we're going to see wet weather along the south coast with a couple of thunder showers further inland. Otherwise, over the northern parts, it's going to be warm and dry once again.